Hello you beautiful people, how's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have got an unboxing that I have wanted to do for so long, and I was just like, oh, I don't know if I should do it on my channel, but then obviously recently with me saying fuck what everybody thinks, I want to do my witchy stuff, I bought it, and it's a witch casket. So I can't remember how much it is. I can't remember anything about this. I know I've wanted it for so long. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'll put it on the screen how much it is, and what they say about it. But it's a witch box, and I wanted it, so I buyed it. Witch Casket, September 2021, Bewitching Botanicals. Ooh. Okay, so it looks like this. Look, it's beautiful. So it says, thank you so much for subscribing to our September Witch Casket. This month we celebrate bewitching botanicals and the magical power of herbs and plants. I am so into herbs and plants. I've literally just got like 7 books down here about herbs and plants and spices, and I've got my little shelf up there with all my little, I can't get that one. That one's gonna fall on me if I grab it, but they speak to my soul. And please remember to read through the pamphlet so you can familiarise yourself with this month's items and especially selected suppliers. Don't forget to tag us in your social media posts with the hashtag Witch Casket. We want you to know that we notice every lovely comment, every shared picture, and we love the incredible heartwarming emails we receive. We can't thank you enough for that, and we hope you in turn notice all the love that we pour into our caskets. Until next time, be well, Deb and Ella. And then it tells us, oh, there's loads in it, look. Oh my goodness. Right, so the first thing I've got is a packing peanut that just fell out. So let me see. I've got this beautiful card. I'm just seeing if I can. I think this is a Bewitching Botanicals art print, Witch Casket exclusive, a striking art print, lovingly created by one of our in-house designers here at Witch Casket, especially for you. I think that's what this is, which is gorgeous. This will go on my wall. Okay, so we've got some candles. Enchanting purple and gold candles in a candle pouch. Oh, this is hefty. I love the noise of candles clicking together. I don't know, that like, that is, I don't know, that reminds me of something in my childhood, like the sound of candles clinking together, and it's just a really happy, like it sparks a feeling of like happiness. I don't know why, but it does. So let's have a look. It says purple and gold. Mine are just gold. Well, I'm supposed to have a purple one, but I've just got, yeah, it says purple and gold, and mine are just gold. Yeah, I think I meant to have a purple one, and I've not. I've got 2 gold, because it says gold brings success, inner strength, growth and wealth. Purple is psychic abilities, intuition, wisdom and spiritual growth. Bring successful energy to your spells for intuition, wisdom and spiritual growth with these magical purple candles. Oh, which have been encased in gold. Ooh, so they're purple. They're going to burn purple. That sounds amazing. So these are custom made for Witch Casket. That is lovely. I love that. Just, I don't know, that noise is just, I really like it. It's a happy noise. I'm just going to get rid of the packing peanuts. Move. Get out of the way. Okay, I've got a little scroll here. Let me try not rip it. I've got ridiculously long nails. Ah, no, don't rip. It's got a little like seal on it. I don't want to rip it. Don't rip, don't rip, don't rip. What is this? Bewitching Botanicals Parchment Scroll. Everything in nature holds power, and Mother Nature provides us with such a bounty of plants, herbs and flowers to choose from that it can sometimes be difficult to decide which ones will help your witch's apothecary. With this in mind, this parchment holds a list of our favourite multi-use botanicals. This information can be copied into your grimoire book of spells. You can simply place the sheet inside your spellbook. Spellbook framed, these scrolls can also add splendour to your walls. So it's got this, and it says bay leaves. These are used for spells for divination, protection and justice. You can write things on a bay leaf and then burn it with your intentions and stuff. Chamomile can be used in spells, rituals and brews for love, wealth, purification and protection. It is even said that gamblers should wash their hands in chamomile tea to ensure good fortune. Dandelion, used in spells, rituals and brews for creativity and growth. Dandelion also encourages bravery and dispels negative energy. Use it in charm bags to make dreams and wishes come true. Mint can be used for healing, abundance and prosperity. You can place mint in your wallet to attract money. Mint on your altar is said to attract good spirits. Nettles, used to dispel fear and encourage willpower. Carry with you to ward off hexes, jealousy or gossip. Fresh cut nettles in any room to bring healing energy. Rosemary is protection, healing, love and lust. I love that, that's awesome. I'm just gonna peel that sticker off because it's ripping. And then I can roll it back up again, and I will just put a little bit of string around that so it doesn't get ruined. I don't know what this is. I've got a little bag. Oh, a magical fabric planter. Bring a touch of nature indoors with this delightful magical fabric planter, a subtle way to bring a touch of magic to any space. Oh my god, that's so cute. So you can plant something in there. And it's just a little fabric one. Super cute. Look. How do you undo? Oh, like this. This is an intuition charm bottle kit. Our beautiful magic box holds everything you need to enhance your intuition. Here's what it contains: yarrow, fluorite, bottle with cork and a purple candle. So it says, feel free to add anything else in. You feel will add potency to the spell. Cork the bottle and holding the candle at an angle over the bottle, drip the wax from it. Set the candle down on a suitable surface and meditate as it burns down. Visualize your intuition and wisdom growing. So we've got a little bottle, some crystals in here. I'll get these out. So what have we got in here? Yarrow and fluorite. So we've got, oh, I've got a little hole. I want to smell it. Oh, it smells good. Got a little purple candle. Let's have a look in here. We've got, oh my god, they're beautiful. Oh, they're so pretty. I don't think you're going to be able to see these on camera properly. Let me try. You see that? How pretty that is. That one, and then there's a little tiny chip. A little purple one. So cute. I love that little spell. I have quite good intuition anyway. I'll definitely be boosting it by doing that. And I love that it comes in. That's just so lovely. Like, yes. So we've got a wooden triangle display. Use this enchanting wooden triangle to show off the crystal of the day or any other tiny treasure that deserves to be framed. So you can put it on your side, and then you can just get a crystal that you love, and drop on the floor and pop it on it. Probably helped if I'd picked one that wasn't a roundy one. That's really cute, and it's got the little there. Love that. I can't believe how much is in here. We've got rose and patchouli incense. I don't like rose, but obviously lots of people do. Surround yourself with loving vibrations with rose and patchouli. Light the incense and affirm, I attract nothing but loving energy. Let me smell them. They don't smell too much of rose, they smell more patchouli than rose. They're just black incense. These will be added to my upstairs incense pot next to me, which is fit to burst. But that's lovely. You stay in there. We've got crystal, citrine tumbled stone. Citrine is a stone of abundance, manifestation, personal growth and success. Carry this with you or use in spells for good fortunes, good relationships and happiness. I don't have a citrine yet, so that's lovely. And I love it. Everything has like a little card with it to just explain what it is in case you lose the big book. So that's lovely. I will cleanse that with incense and then charge it in my salt pot next to me. Something here. A wooden plant magic keyring. Show your love for plant magic in a practical way with this useful but bewitching keyring. That's really pretty. That is lovely. That will go on my keys. I already have like 4 million key rings. One more will not hurt. I've got a pin, a Botanical Pentacle Pin. We adore this pin recreated, which honours witchcraft and the magic of plants. Show your love of the craft of Mother Nature with one captivating pin. So pretty. So you've got the pentacle at the bottom, and then at the top you've got little leaves and a plant. I've got so many pins that I need to put on a jacket or something. I just need to find the perfect jacket. I'm yet to find it. And then I've got some teas. I've got Witch Casket Protection Tea Blend. This is nettle and rosemary. I think I can drink that. I don't think there's any caffeine in there because that's a natural one. A cleansing and protective blend of nettle and rosemary. Brew with intent and drink mindfully. I've got 2 little tea bags. And then the last thing is an opulent pentacle sun catcher. Honour the energy of the sun with this enchanting pentacle sun catcher. Enjoy the magic of the sun catcher. Reflects its beautiful colours around your garden or magical space. I love it. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. I'm going to hang that on my window in my room. That is gorgeous. I can't believe how much stuff was in there. Like, it's so good. I absolutely love it. I have subscribed to this one, so I will be getting one next month as well. If I can find any discount codes or anything, I'll put them up on the screen. I don't think there are any at the moment. I didn't have one when I bought it. I just purchased it. Yeah, I absolutely love it. I think it was such a good box. So worth the money. Let me just double check and actually see how much it is for you, because I'm not being particularly helpful, am I? Subscribe. Let's have a look. £29 per month. So for £29 we've got the incense. I need to put it back in the box so I can see. Incense, Dreamcatcher, candles, tea, keyring, pin, spell jar, citrine, planter, shelf, scroll and print. I think that was freaking awesome. I absolutely love that. I can't wait to get next month now. I'm super excited. Let me know what you guys think. I can't wait to start putting some of these bits in my little cornery bit. I've had quite a few people ask me if I would do a video on what I've set up for my kind of, where I do my spells and rituals and anything like that, and I will do, definitely. I am just I'm going to hospital tomorrow for some surgery, and then I am on bed rest for a couple of weeks, so it won't be for a few weeks, but I promise I will definitely do one. If you have any questions that you want to ask, put them down below, and then I can do it as a like a chatty video and show you guys what I've got and answer some questions as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.